Figma is a really popular tool for designers. And if you're a part of a design team that uses Figma and also you store your assets inside the ImageKit digital asset management system, we have made it really simple for you to export your assets from the DAM to Figma for your use. You don't have to download them every time and just upload them to Figma every time you want to use something. You can simply use the ImageKit desktop app for DAM, download it for the system that you're working on right now. I have it already installed for my Mac and it appears in the taskbar like you see over here, and I can access all the content inside my media library inside this native app. And now if I head to Figma and let's say I want to use some content which I want to work on, which I want to use as a part of my design, I just have to simply drag and drop that asset onto Figma. It starts uploading and it's available for use inside Figma right now. I can go ahead and play around with it like I would with any other layer, and I can continue working on my design. So yeah, that's how you use the assets stored inside the ImageKit DAM app with Figma without actually having to download them, just by using the DAM app.